GNS stock analysis and GNS stock prediction. So what I will be doing in this brief and short 1-minute video is showing you my exact play. So with Genius Group Limited, I'm very open-minded to taking things up and further buying, but randomly buying mates just not gonna be happening. Like ultimately this is how my chart's looking like, but you know, it was a great call out. You know, we definitely took the highs out. Here's all that jazz. It's beautiful, but ultimately it's very like all in one place. Me, I'm looking to buy more as long as the price pull down, it gives me more rules, but like it must be clear, man, because this has already kind of done its thing. I want to go for the second runner, and all I will do in the meantime is I'll just still keep waiting here. Yeah, this isn't an infinite game. We just made you know, that's how turn profits, just stick to the rules and formula. Now if you want my exact formula after 5 years, click the first link below. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point. It's absolutely risk free, and I'll see you in the next one.